Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian and this is the Meat Cutting Academy. And in today's episode, I'm going to share something I found with you in a steak that I've seen before, but not too often. It's a disease found in some cows called white muscle disease. And to my knowledge, I tried to look it up on YouTube. I couldn't find a single video that pertains to white muscle disease in the context of meat cutting. So I wanted to share this video with you guys just in case you guys come across this cutting up your own steaks, or if you see one by mistake in a grocery store. So WMD, white muscle disease, is found in cows that have a vitamin E and selenium deficiency. It typically affects younger animals, but can affect older animals as well. Fun fact, it can also be found in humans. It's also referred to as MDS, or muscular dystrophy. It affects animals' legs, heart, and back, which explains what I found the other day. So let's take a look at that now. So this right here is an example of, this is actually the New York I cut the other day that had the white muscle buildup in it. And it's a buildup of calcium crystals in the affected area of the muscle. And so it happens it affected this New York strip, which is on the back of the cow. Doesn't happen all the time. I rarely ever see it, but when I do, it's pretty disturbing. There's definitely a distinctive difference in when I cut the meat. There's good steaks about a third of the way through, and then about a quarter of the way through you see this big old white mass, and then the rest of it is fine. But that's a clear indication that that's what you're dealing with right here, is when this only affects like a certain portion of the New York strip. And right here is a steak that has marbling in there. As you can see, the little white speckles and the fat right there, that is what you want to see for marbling, not this. This is like a pure white mass. Definitely stay away from that. And if you ever buy a New York strip and you cut it yourself and find this in there, definitely return the meat and get a refund, because I definitely wouldn't want to eat that. And they would have no problem giving you a refund as long as you bring the whole thing back. I've seen people bring back the receipt for the steak, and it turns out they ate it, but they want a refund. It's like, no, it doesn't work like that. So definitely bring the entire piece back and they'll give you a refund. So according to a study done by the Oregon State University back in the 1950s, 1/3 of the cattle in Oregon are affected by WMD. So according to a web search, eating WMD affected meat is safe, although the meat would be dry and extremely tough. I don't know about you, but I don't trust eating diseased meat of any kind. That's just personal preference. Well, I hope you found this video informative. Let me know down in the comments down below if you've ever bought any meat and found anything questionable in it. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next episode.